Welcome to Numbers 1 through 10. In this lesson, you will learn the foundation of English numbers. We will cover how to say, write, and use numbers from 1 to 10. This is the first step in mastering basic English communication. Let's start with the first 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the basic numbers you'll use every day. 1 represents a single item. 2 means a pair. 3, 4, and 5 follow in sequence. Practice saying each number clearly and slowly. Now let's learn numbers 6 through 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 5, we continue counting. 6 comes after 5. 7, 8, 9, and finally 10. These complete the first set of basic numbers. Repeat each number several times to remember them well. Correct pronunciation is important. 1 is pronounced 1, 2 is pronounced 2, 3 is pronounced 3, 4 is pronounced 4, 5 is pronounced 5, 6 is pronounced 6, 7 is pronounced 7, 8 is pronounced at, 9 is pronounced nin, 10 is pronounced 10. Pay attention to each sound and practice saying them aloud. Each number has a digit form and a word form. The digit 1 looks like this. 1. The word 1 is spelled O-N-E. Each number from 1 to 10 has both forms. Additionally, numbers have ordinal forms. First is the ordinal form of 1. Second is from 2, third from 3, and so on. Ordinals are used to show order or position. Now let's use these numbers in real sentences. I have 1 phone. This shows possession with the number 1. She has 5 apples. This uses the number 5 in a complete sentence. There are 10 candles on the cake. This sentence uses the number 10. Practice forming simple sentences with each number. Here are 4 exercises to practice. First, write the number words. Write out the words for 3, 7, and 10. Second, match numbers to words. Connect the digit 5 with the word 5. Third, say it aloud. Repeat each number 3 times, focusing on clear pronunciation. Fourth, count objects around you and say the number in English. These exercises will help you remember these numbers. You have learned numbers 1 through 10. You now know the correct pronunciation for each number. You understand both written and digit forms. You can recognize ordinal numbers like first, second, and third. Your next step is to practice daily. Use these numbers in conversations. Then learn to count beyond 10. Consistent practice will make these numbers second nature to you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.